And the cookies are not sticking to the pan. These are some really, really good pans. And because these pans are non-stick, cleanup is a breeze with them. My family and I, we have been using them for the last couple of weeks and we love them. Definitely kitchen must have. I will give this Kitcom oven non-stick cook set 5 stars. 5 stars from me. Kitcom did an amazing job.